ChatGPT, what is it? As a software people, we must have come across this word at least once in past couple of weeks. What has it got? How we designers can make use of it? Let's quickly see in this video. So what is it ChatGPT all about? I'm not going in technically, but to keep it simple, ChatGPT is an AI chat interface to have conversation with it. So right now I'm going to talk to a machine and see what it has got. I'm going to ask a simple question to this AI interface. Oh yeah. What is ChatGPT? Give me a simple answer. So yes, it's generating. It's loading. Let's see what it has got. Loading. It's loading. Oh my god. It's taking a while to give me the answer. Yes, it's got. So this is what it says. ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI. It uses advanced machine learning techniques to generate human-like text based on the input it receives. It is designed to respond the user input in a conversational manner, allowing for a natural language interaction. Simply put, ChatGPT is a program that can understand and generate text, making it useful for a variety of tasks such as chatbots, language translation, and text summarization. That's good. So let me put me the other question. Right now, I'm doing a lot of these diet plans to keep to stay in my weight, and let's see what it has got. And I want to stay fit. I'm going to ask that question to it right now. Let's see what it has got. And yeah, can you please suggest me a good diet plan to stay healthy? Okay, I'm asking it. It's loading again. I think it's thinking. The AI is thinking by itself. Okay, here it's got. So sure, wow, healthy diet plan, plenty of fruits and vegetables. Aim to include at 5 servings of fruit. So it's asking me to have 5 servings of fruit every day. Choose whole grains. Include lean protein. Okay. Limited and saturated trans fats. Try to avoid high food fats. Okay. Reduce sugar intake. That's great. Oh my god, this is something that's responding like an my dietitian, and how wow, this is awesome. Okay, remember, everyone nutrition is different. So yeah, it is asking us to consult a doctor before following. All right, now it's time to check how we designers can make use of it. Let's see it. Okay, I'm going to put on a design question now. So yeah, I'm going to ask it to give me a layout idea for an automobile website. Yes, it's thinking again. Let's see what has it got and how it's gonna suggest me the layout to be, and will it work or not? We'll see that. Here is a general layout idea for an automobile website. Okay. Oh wow, it's asking me to have a header, the logo of website, a navigation menu, search bar, a hero section with a large eye-catching image of a video showcasing my latest car models. That's great. So featured cars. Oh wow, comparison tool. Wow, this is, oh my god, this is throwing up requirements, man. This is throwing out requirements. Okay. Okay. This is great. This is simply great. It has given me everything I needed. Okay, so lastly, it said that this layout is just a starting point, and there may be in other elements that would be helpful to include an automobile website. Okay, fine. So let me throw open up with another question asking for a content now. So I need a content for the design I make. So yeah, let's see what it got for that. Can you please provide me UI content for a sign up page? Okay, it's thinking again. If it really throws up a good content, I don't require a content writer's help to design or to, design or to make a mock-up with a draft content. I could do it myself with the help of this, right? Oh my God, it's got it. A clear, concise headline that explains the purpose, such as create an account. Wow. Form fields. Oh my God, it's throwing again a requirement. Call to action, everything, login page, content, every link to page, privacy policy. Wow. Okay. So I think we can make use of this content while designing our mockups, while showcasing our first draft to the PMs or the stakeholders. We can make use of this instead of randomly choosing or searching for a lorem ipsum content. We can have this AI's content with our design mockups and to make it more appropriate, to make it more understanding. Okay. Let me ask another question, a UX research question now, and let's see what it has got. Need a user persona for a travel app. Okay, need an user persona for a travel app. Okay, it's again thinking. I think it comes up with a rough user persona of my requirement, for my requirement. It has got it. So the name is Sarah Johansson. Her name is 32 and she's a marketing manager. Okay, Sarah is a busy marketing manager who loves to travel, goals and needs. Wow. Oh my God. So guys, folks, we can use this for designing our case study. We can just simply use this for the content we required for the case study, and this is simply awesome. This is gonna make our job easier, dudes. Okay, features that would far out appeal for comprehensive search, booking flight tickets. What is this? Just got everything, I think. Awesome. So UX people out there, we don't need to worry about this OpenAI. We need organic minds to do the UX research jobs. It's not going to take our jobs, but instead it's going to make our job even more easier. I think we are going to talk to machines in future. This tool is simply amazing. I hope you found this video informative. If yes, please click on like and share it with your friends. And are you someone who's looking for design related contents? Then please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Only then the efforts I put will reach you. See you in another video soon. Happy designing.